This video is about manufacturing pallets for the Tegart Styrofoam Nuc box. The pallet will hold 8 Nuc boxes. The top of the pallet has 5 boards. The 2 outside boards are 1x4, the 3 inside boards are 1x6, and they're placed specifically in locations where each of the 8 Nuc boxes will have support. The outside boards are pinned down with screws, just one screw in each board that allows the pallet to be squared before the other boards are attached. There are 3 bottom boards to the pallet, and the outside boards are 5 inches from the end to accommodate the hive stand that we have for those pallets. And the hive stand manufacturing is upcoming in another video.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about bees, here are a few ways Honeybee Center can help. First, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more beekeeping tips and tricks delivered straight to your inbox. Interested in our education programs and products? Check out honeybeecenter.com to learn more. For beekeeping updates and a behind-the-scenes look, you have lots of options to follow us on social media. You can find us at Honeybee Center Kids on Instagram, as well as at Honeybee Center on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.